Let's talk about dogs, the coolest, fluffiest, and friendliest animals ever. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny little pups to big. Cuddly giants, some dogs are super fast and love to play fetch, while others are fluffy and just want to snuggle up with you. You can take them for walks, teach them tricks, and they'll be your loyal pals forever. And guess what? Dogs are so smart that some even help people who need extra assistance.
Hola.
Dogs love to be petted, and they know when you're feeling happy or sad. They'll wag their tails to show they care and give you their sweet puppy eyes that melt your heart. So, the next time you see a doggy, remember they're not just pets. They're true friends who make our lives brighter and more.
Dame. Tiger. Tiger.